There is an electric oven installed in the kitchen, and if you find that it is not working, then please check underneath the right hand cupboard to see that it is on, illuminated by the orange light. The oven is simple to use. You have a dial on the left hand side which corresponds to firstly a light which just shows the inside of the oven. The next one is for circulating just room air temperature if you wish to defrost something. For heating and cooking with a fan element, use the bottom fan symbol. For just simple grill function, you turn it to this one, and for grill with fan, it's this one. On the right hand side, you have the dial that corresponds to temperature, which is self-explanatory. If you're using the grill and you wish to have the grill on max, then of course you turn this all the way around to the max, and you can adjust it to how high you want the heating element on. Thank you. Within the oven, you will find that there is a grill tray, and if you wish to have any baking trays, again, it's in the left-hand cupboard at the bottom. Please ensure you use the oven gloves when handling things to avoid burning yourself.